Jacqueline Quinn is in Denver tonight. And Jacqueline, we've been seeing accidents across the metro area.
Yeah, we caught some of them, but Kathy, the story right now is that things are just not that bad yet. So I want you to take a look at the road here. This is I-25 near Orchard Road. Just really wet out there, not even a lot of slush. But then if you take a look at the grass here, you're seeing sort of this buildup, at least 2 inches to cover the grass there. Of course, that is to say we did see some accidents and issues as we were traveling around earlier, especially around Sunset near I-225 and Mississippi. We were there, we saw a car by the divider there. And then as we were there, a car had spun out. And when we were trying to get off near the Alameda exit, another car that had spun out. And we talked with one driver in that area, and he told us he was, really worried about driving, but he had to because his parents were having issues with their pipes, so he's trying to help out.
It is hard. Even my Jeep is suffering in this kind of road. Surprised me, it's not 2 feet yet.
Now, we were traveling around here. We went up to Thornton. We've been over here to this area near DTC, and really conditions look a lot like this right now. Of course, we are expecting more snowfall, so things can change, but for the most part, that is what we've seen for the better part of today. For now, reporting in Greenwood Village, I'm Jacqueline Quinn, covering Colorado First.